Welcome to our deep dive into intricate worlds of dopamine, the brain's reward messenger. Today, we are exploring how this powerful neurotransmitter interacts with binaural beats and nutrition to impact our mental health and daily well-being. Before we delve deeper, please remember that this content is for informational purpose only and should not replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional for any medical concerns. Understanding dopamine. Dopamine is more than just a feel good chemical, it's a neurotransmitter that's crucial for our emotional responses, motivation, and pleasure. It plays a significant role in our reward and pleasure systems, affecting how we perceive and interact with the world. Low levels of dopamine can lead to feelings of apathy and fatigue, while an excess can be linked by hyperactivity and impulsivity. Dopamine's role in brain. In the brain, dopamine's pathways are vast and complex. They influence various aspects of our behavior and physical functioning. For instance, the dopamine pathway known as mesolimbic pathway is often associated with the feelings of reward and pleasure. On the other hand, the mesocortical pathway, which links to the prefrontal cortex, is crucial for cognitive control, decision making, and motivational silence. Introduction to binaural beats. Now, let's explore binaural beats. These are auditory illusions perceived when two different pure tone sine waves are presented to a listener dichotically, meaning one through each ear. For example, if a 300 Hz tone is played in one ear and 330 Hz in other ear, the brain perceives a third tone of 10 Hz, the mathematical difference between the two. This phenomenon can influence brainwave patterns and potentially our mental state. Binaural beats and dopamine production. Studies suggest that listening to binaural beats at certain frequencies can induce states of relaxation, focus, and even euphoria. These states are believed to be linked to increased dopamine production. For instance, a binaural beat of 40 Hz may encourage the brain to produce more gamma waves, which are associated with high level information processing and consciousness. The power of nutrition. Turning to nutrition, certain foods can naturally increase dopamine levels. These include foods rich in tyrosine, an amino acid that's a precursor to dopamine. Examples include bananas, avocados, beef, chicken, chocolate, coffee, eggs, green tea, milk, watermelon, and yogurt. A diet lacking in these nutrients can lead to decreased dopamine levels, affecting mood and motivation. Synergy to binaural beats and nutrition. Imagine the combined power of binaural beats and a balanced diet in boosting our dopamine levels. While binaural beats can help in achieving a mental state conducive to dopamine production, a nutritious diet ensures your body has the necessary building blocks to produce it. This synergy can potentially enhance cognitive function, mood, and overall mental health. Practical tips for enhancing dopamine. To harness these benefits, consider integrating binaural beats into your daily routine, perhaps during meditation or relaxation sessions. Simultaneously, focus on a balanced diet rich in dopamine boosting foods. Remember, consistency is the key. Regular exposure to binaural beats and maintaining a wealthy diet are essential for sustained results. Conclusions and call to action. We have journeyed through the fascinating world of dopamine and discovered how binaural beats and nutrition can positively influence it. Embarrassing, these insights can lead to a healthier, more balanced mind. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on enhancing your mental health and well-being. Thank you for joining us in exploring the connections between our brain, sound, and nutrition. Stay informed and empowered on your journey to a healthier mind and body. Until next time, take care and stay curious.